Hi everybody, welcome to Ravishing Lather. Sherri Michelle here. Do you want to see how I make this beautiful soap? Well, stay tuned. First, I'm just going to blend my oil with my lye to create my soap. I've added neem oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, and castor oil, just to name a few, to this soap. It's really hydrating and conditioning. I'm also going to add spearmint root and a few other roots that will be really hydrating for the skin. I also added some beet powder. Beet powder is great for skin elasticity and hydration. I wanted to keep this soap as natural as possible, so I didn't add any fragrance. The fragrance is going to come from the neem oil. The neem oil smells a little pungent, but it's great for your skin. Ta-da! There you have it, my beautiful Ravishing Lather herb soap packed with skin-loving oils. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Stay tuned for more great videos and check out the description box below to purchase some of our Ravishing Lather handmade products.